Small Business Radio is ranked in the top 10% on blogtalkradio.com with more than 50,000 listeners worldwide. The radio show launches Season 3 on July 17th, 2013, and has new low-cost advertising programs to help promote your small business globally. Have a story to tell? Advertise on Small Business Forum Radio and Small Business Forum Magazine launching fall 2013 with Tony Wilkins. Ad campaigns to fit every budget. And find out more at blogtalkradio.com/Tony Wilkins.